just unscrew this part. Make sure you put all your parts in a bucket so you don't lose all your parts. Now we've got a, so if this goes this way, this pulls this plunger down. And that pushes the plunger down. So that's under your foot pedal. I see grease, but I don't see any real water. So now we've got to figure out how we take this mechanism, this hose, off. And it's all band clamped together, excuse me. Okay. So there's a screw fitting on the back side of the valve. The problem with these is they just don't give you any room to work. Oh well, the toilet's loose. That'll help. That will help. All this just to, if someone had just fixed the leak when it happened, instead of letting it go, could have avoided all this subfloor damage.